Economist Kelvin Chisanga says Zambia's domestic bond and treasury bill market has become a central pillar of government financing, emphasizing the need for greater transparency to maintain investor confidence. Mr. Chisanga noted that while the recent benchmark rate adjustment by the Bank of Zambia may not significantly affect treasury bill yields, reliance on the domestic market continues to grow. He stressed that the key concern is not just the volume of borrowing, but the structure of debt and the composition of investors, particularly the elevated participation of foreign investors. He called for a structured monthly or quarterly reporting framework to strengthen oversight, suggesting disclosures should include opening and closing debt balances, total bids received, ticket values, actual issuance, yield movement, principal maturities, and net issuance.
Debt contraction in the domestic market has given a shape also to basically reshape a number of things, especially at the point where the bond market inside framework needs to be put right in place. The important aspect here is that the domestic debt needs some technical profile, especially at the point when we have an elevated appetite in the participation, which has significantly been seen trickling with a number of positive development, at a point also when we have restructured the participation model and benchmark to include an accelerated factor of 23% with the foreign participants. Obviously, it's important also to say that the bond market is playing a central role in financing fiscal balances. So there is a need for us to urgently look into technical aspect of the profile to improve maturity structure, reduce refinancing risk, as well as enhancing sustainability model. Every concentration in short tenure might be able to be seen with low over pressure, which can expose Zambia's government to frequent refinancing at potentially high yields. So net issuance of bonds, which is basically the gross issuance minus maturities, should be closely monitored to determine whether domestic debt is